Are you getting all the insights you need from your multiple data sources? Maybe not. Let's be honest, correlating and analysing data out of dozens of datasets to find the information that is relevant to your business problem is a very time-consuming and tedious task. Isn't it? Tupl Unifier serves as a single window into all your data sources in different domains. That means with Tupl Unifier, you will have your key data all in one place. Unifier is designed to interact with two different user roles. Hands-on network engineers and their managers will benefit from ready-made top-down analysis, top offenders lists, and synchronized and correlated data sources to quickly extract the insights they need for their daily tasks, as well as building smart dashboards. On the other hand, Unifier power users, the network's domain experts responsible for defining engineering guidelines and rules, can easily manage the KPI definition, create predefined performance alerts, and define user-customized views for monitoring, troubleshooting, and issues research. The Unifier solution leverages TuplOS, Tupl's cloud-native microservices platform, which can be run on any public or private cloud infrastructure, as well as in bare metal servers, thus providing a single framework to create a large number of automation utilities. Unifier has data adapters for multiple vendors related to both network data, such as performance management systems, configuration management sources, geolocation tools, and fault management sources, as well as customer data sources, such as CDRs, customer tickets, or provisioning records. With Unifier, you can save up to 50% of your time by having all the information you need automatically compiled for you. Also, you can simplify your processes and systems landscape by having a single point of reference for all your information. And last but not least, Unifier automatically identifies anomalies and creates alerts for your engineers so they become aware of issues as quickly as possible. To learn more, visit www.tupl.com or email us to ask for a demo at sales@tupl.com.